Hi, thank you for calling Rich Company. This is Trisha. How may I help you?
Hi, Miss Shia. So I'm calling you because you overcharged me. My subscription to you guys was supposed to be flat rate of $30 per month. But for some reason, I am seeing $33 on my paper bill for the month of October. So, I don't know what is going on. I really appreciate any explanation on this.
Sure, I'll be happy to pull up your account and check the billing details for you. Can I have your account number together with your first name and last name?
Sure, it's 8253 and my full name is Tintin B. Noriega.
Thank you, Tintin. Just give me a few seconds while I pull up your account. It was for a month of October this year, right? October 2025?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, let me check out. I have your account full up now and I'm only seeing a $30 charge for a month of October this year. Can you take a look at your bill and double check the amount?
No, that can't be right. I'm literally holding my paper bill right now and it says October. It also says $33 in big, bold letters. So maybe the charge was moved to September or November? I don't know. All I know is that I'm being overcharged.
Yes, Tintin, I also checked your other month's charge this year from January to September 2025. And for all these months, you were only charged 30 each dollars. Let me just further through. Your last year, true, I'm seeing a $33 charge here. But this was way back in October 2024. Would you mind checking the year of the billing paper you holding right now?
Oh my god, Mishia. I'm so sorry to have wasted your time. I really thought this bill was a recent bill.
No, don't worry about it, Tintin. You're fine.
This bill was literally on my table this morning. I must have dropped it when I was throwing garbage this morning. So embarrassing, my bad.
Oh, not a problem. It happens. I mean, it happens to everyone.
Any more of your time? And thank you so much for your patience.
You're welcome, Tintin. Is there anything else that I can help you with today?
Nothing else. Have a good day.
Have a good day, Tintin. Thank you for calling Rich Company. Bye.